pistachio crusted lamb chops. To a blender add basil, spinach along with your neutral oil and blend. Cook on the stove to evaporate any excess water. To make the crust, add parsley, citrus zest, pistachios to a blender. French your rack of lamb, remembering to save the trimmings for later. Heavily season with salt and sear on a hot pan. Baste with butter and aromatics. Set it aside and rest. Using the lamb trimmings will make the farci to stuff the morel mushrooms. Rub Dijon onto your lamb rack and press into your crust. While you finish roasting your rack of lamb, you can finish your choice of sides. In this case, asparagus and polenta. You gotta try this.